Hello and welcome to another update video about HBAR. A quick one really here, just to keep you updated, because we have a bit of a rally today. For now, and this is sort of similar to what XRP is doing, I don't think we have a sustainable breakout here at the moment. There is a short-term breakout because we broke above the previous swing high. You know, these things are always possible. But for me, it is still, with those drops that happened here in September, with those new lows that we actually made, for me, this is just a corrective rally before further downside. At least that is what I see at the moment, especially as long as we stay below 7 cents. The 7 cent level marks a little bit of a change, because then we would break above the 78.6% FIB level. So if we get above that level, something more bullish might be going on. Not necessarily a bullish breakout count, but maybe we then just have to assume that we are still here in an extended wave 2, you know. But at the moment, my take on this, or my best take on this, is that we finished a corrective wave up here at around 8.5 cents. We then moved down in a wave 1. We recovered in a wave 2. We are now in the third wave down. In the third wave, we're just doing a 1-2 setup at the moment. That will probably find its next resistance at 6.7 cents and then 7 cents, and could even go a bit higher, maybe to 7.2. But from here at the latest, it should reverse down in a wave 3. And that would then be quite a strong sell-off at the moment. Well, because it would be a wave 3 of a wave 3, you would normally expect quite a strong sell-off from there. Target for that would be, let's say we go maybe all the way up to 7 cents, yeah, then the target for the third wave would be already, I mean, an ideal target would already take us here to around 4 cents. Now, we don't necessarily need to come down that far, but the first target would be the 5 cent level, the 1-to-1 ratio that I'd be looking at. This could develop as a diagonal pattern to the downside. Therefore, we don't necessarily need to reach the 1.618 extension. But broadly, I would say I would expect in this bear market for HBAR still a 4 cent level based on what I see at the moment here on the chart. Yeah, also very important that you can draw from that recent high back in August. You can draw a trend line. We have now basically reached that resistance. So this is something important. We attempted to break it. We have not really broken it yet. We might break it. That would be a possible breakout trade, but this is extremely risky at the moment, especially at the current levels, and I wouldn't have much confidence in it. But this is of course a possible breakout trade here. Yeah, but we're just hovering around that level. So it would need to mean a substantial move above, I would say 6.6 cents to have a valid breakout. But again, if we look at the Fibonacci levels, they would still, even in this bearish wave count, allow us to push higher. Yeah, all the way up to, as I said, 7 cents, no problem. Above that, it will get a little bit less likely, this particular bearish count. But don't worry, we have plenty of bearish options still available here. I have no evidence that this is a sustainable breakout yet. I would see this as an ABC pattern at the moment. Or maybe even a WXY, where we have an A, B, C in the Y wave. So that would allow us to understand why we're currently pushing up quite strong, because it would be an impulse, however, in a larger corrective pattern. So yeah, just to quickly update you here, no reason to panic in my opinion. Yeah, no reason to FOMO anyway. Yeah, we are still, all we're putting in at the moment is another lower high actually at the moment. Yeah, let's see if we break it, but until we break it, there is really no evidence, and it would all be just pure speculation that we are here on the way up. It's certainly interesting, but I gave you the next targets. Yeah, important, very important resistance will be that 7.4 cent level. If we get there, then I think there is a good chance we actually will break it, but this would not necessarily make a bullish count. Yeah, there are currently other setups in the market which are looking much more interesting and much more bullish. Okay, and that's my update about HBAR. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.